Irfan.
Jadi sebelumnya mohon maaf kalau bahasa Inggris saya kurang baik, karena emang
It's
kurang baik.
okay. It's okay. Yuk,
Langsung mulai aja, Nis. Good morning, Nis. My
good
name is
morning.
Irfan. I'm from D4 Business Administration. Thank you for taking time for the interview.
Yep.
Langsung aja pertanyaan pertama. May I
Yep.
know what is your name?
My name is Yesi Purnamasari. You can call me Yesi.
Okay. Next, what major did you take in college and why did you choose it?
I took English department for my D3 and I took Sastra Inggris for my S1 and I took English linguistics for my S2. All about English. Why I choose English? Because I know that English is a very interesting subject since I was in elementary schools. I love to listen to English songs with English lyrics and I know that learning English can be very beneficial for me. You can go abroad very easily. You can understand people who speaks English easily, and I know that English is one of my way to make money, for example by teaching.
Okay. Next, why did you choose to become a lecturer?
Why did I choose to become a lecturer? Because beside my passion is teaching, I was once a private English teacher. I know that becoming a lecturer is also one thing that very relaxing for me because meeting new students every year. As this time I meet you Irfan, I meet you Afifa and Ayun, and become your friends uh, for uh, for sometimes. And then when you are graduate, somehow when you meet your ex-students at the street or in the department store and in the mall, they can call you and they still remember you. I think that's a very interesting experience that you cannot have when you are not becoming a lecturer.
Okay. Next, what is the suka duka being a
Suka
lecturer?
duka.
Yeah.
Okay. Talking about suka duka itu apa ya? Bad and good experience ya, bad and good experience in becoming a lecturer. Good experience-nya, there are lots of good experience. I can see every new students every year. Bayangin kita dosen itu setiap tahun ketemu orang yang berbeda, and it's very interesting to know and to greet with new students every year. Lalu juga mengajar itu menambah wawasan saya sendiri because when I teach, I have to learn by myself. I have to explore lots of material before I deliver to the students, and it becomes one thing that's very beneficial for me. Bad things, I don't have any bad things during teaching. Lazy student or sleeping student in the class is not bad things for me because I know that every students have their own problems. So I hope that bad things never happen for me during teaching in Polban.
Okay, Miss. Next, any do you any language understood other than English, Miss?
Perhaps no. I only understand English and Indonesia. I hope that I can learn another language, but it's quite hard for me because I don't have time and I can make time to learn that.
Okay, Miss. Next, because Miss is English lecturer, how
Yes.
to be able to easily learn English, Miss?
How to be able to easily learn English?
Ya, gimana cara tips gitu biar mudah mempelajari bahasa Inggris?
Untuk anak-anak.
Iya.
Oh, gini. Especially for non-English department seperti kalian ya, anak AN yang dituntut untuk bisa berbahasa Inggris. Satu tips dari saya adalah yang namanya pembelajaran di kampus, walaupun kalian diberikan pelajaran bahasa Inggris, itu tidak akan pernah cukup. Begitu juga dengan anak-anak di jurusan bahasa Inggris. Mereka setiap hari bertemu kita dalam bahasa Inggris, diberikan materi bahasa Inggris, tapi tentu sifatnya terbatas. Khusus untuk anak-anak non bahasa Inggris seperti kalian di AN, cobalah berlatih sendiri. Apalagi zaman sekarang itu banyak sekali pembelajaran distance learning, pembelajaran online yang bisa kalian manfaatkan. Paling gampang adalah menonton film tanpa subtitle. Ya, dengarkan apa yang mereka utarakan, lalu biasakan untuk mendengarkan lagu dalam bahasa Inggris, karena jujur saya belajar bahasa Inggris dari lagu. So from that kind of experience, I can have many vocabularies when I was in elementary school, and then I go to junior high school. I know that learning from song is very interesting. Jadi jangan belajar dari hal-hal yang sulit, jadi dari buku, dari apa, jangan. Cari dari platform-platform yang kalian suka. Zaman sekarang banyak ya, Spotify, YouTube, bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dari manapun.
Okay, thanks, Miss. And last, do you have any message for the students?
For all of freshmen, for students in Polban, welcome to Polban, welcome to our discipline campus, but I know that you haven't experienced datang ke Polban jam 7, lari-lari jam setengah 7, but I hope that you can have that moment. Sementara enjoy aja dulu pembelajaran secara jarak jauh ini. Please be cooperative with every lecturer, karena setiap dosen punya cara dan keunikannya masing-masing. Jangan menyamaratakan antara satu dengan yang lain. They are very stressful also, but they are very responsible to do the job, untuk mencerdaskan bangsa dan juga untuk mencerdaskan kalian semua. Jadi just be cooperative during this time, because our goal is to make you happy and we are also happy.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Thank you very much for the time.
Welcome. Okay.